This has to be documented. Because it's gonna get dark soon. And we're still in the middle of the trail by ourselves. Look how scary that's gonna be. Oh no. Oh no. Look, the light is even on. It's gonna get dark soon. We need to get out of here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're now approaching the last supposedly 3 bridge. So this is the 3rd one. We're close to the Torbram area. But still, look further. It's gonna be dark. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. At least every year we get to do this kind of adventure. This is the darkest area in this trail. Holy shit! Oh my god, oh my god. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, finally, yes. Yes, thank you. Someone's walking down there. Yes. Yes. Once we pass this, that bridge is actually Torbram. Then it won't be that dark anymore. Look who's here. Our walking buddy. Don't run. You better show up, eh? When I do my morning walk soon. I guess this will be our last evening walk. Since it's getting dark, it's so scary. Shit. I guess we're gonna try to walk in the morning now. We're gonna bring back the morning walk. We made it! We made it! We made it! We made it to the other side. Oh shit. That was scary. Okay, we're not gonna walk during evening now. Oh, yep. See you again with our morning walk. Gas price check. Oh, by the way, this is gonna be uploaded, I guess, Friday after our downtown walk series. So after the downtown walk, we'll be having Brampton walk. Well, for the longest time, I didn't realize I've been using or having my video vertically. So this would be my first video that's filmed horizontally. Currently, right now, we're walking along Bramley Road, and that stoplight there is Peter Robertson. Final stretch. We are in the intersection of Bramley and Peter Robertson. That next stoplight down there is Bouvard. Brampton Hospital. Bramley Wellness. We are now at Peter Robertson and Torbram intersection, and tomorrow, if we wake up early, that's gonna be our next route going to Queen Street. We're almost home, and can you believe that bus stop used to be our only bus stop to catch the bus? Because 20 years ago, the bus never goes straight Mountain Berry. So people from there, we have to walk here to catch the bus.